Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to uninstall secure folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to security and privacy, and here select more security settings, and here you will find secure folder. It will ask your secure folder pattern to unlock it. Yes, I have given here, and yes, it is showing here. Now click on more settings, and here you will find uninstall option. Just click it and click on uninstall. Secure folder will be uninstalling from your phone. Yes, it has been uninstalled and showing in the notification too. So in this way you can easily uninstall secure folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.